Everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video I'll show you how to solve Wi-Fi problem and Wi-Fi not connecting in Samsung A27. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.